Welcome to RaceToyTime!
Hi guys, RaceToyTime here. Today I'm going to show you this Playmobil farm animal pen and hen house. Okay, let's start building the animal pen. These are the animals that came with the playset. We have a donkey, sheep, goat, a small donkey or foal, a kid or a small goat, a baby sheep or lamb, and another lamb. And now let's set up the animal pen. Oh, by the way, I'm going to add some animals to this playset. Here's a pony, a cow, another pony, and a young horse or foal. Now let's build the hen house. Here's the rooster. Here's a hen. Another hen. And here's a laying hen. Here are the baby chickens or chicks. Here's the farmer, and she takes care of these animals. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more fun videos here at RaceToyTime. Thank you for watching.